do nothing stupid? Because I wouldn't come save your white ass? Now!
Dad? Son! Get in there! Wow.
You brought a lot of shotguns.
You brought a lot of Russians.